Yummy blueberries. Are those delicious? Do you like your blueberries? Yum, yum. Good job, Sebastian. Gonna drink your papaya juice?